Hi, I want to show you how to use new Google Weather app and set widget on Google Pixel 9a. So firstly, open up your launcher and find Weather app in the list. Now tap on Profile icon in the upper right corner and choose Pixel Weather Settings. From here, you can go in Weather Units and make sure to set everything to the default option. But if you want to manually set something else, then you can do it, of course, by tapping any different option in the list. Now we need to go back. Here, tap on temperature, and then you can also choose to use default or manually select Celsius or Fahrenheit. Go back and set first day of week. So apps will use your regional preferences where possible. Here you can also from this default option, switch manually to something else, but it is preferred to use default options. If you want to, you can also choose different theme, for example, manually set dark theme or light or default. Enable weather forecasts, immersive weather vibrations, and precipitation. So here make sure to turn on current location. Now go back in the main interface and you should see this section with your current location. So by tapping it, you can check hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, weather map, precipitation, information about wind, sunrise and sunset, UV index, air quality, visibility, humidity, pressure, and that's it. So also don't forget to swipe left here to check more detailed information. And if you wanna add new location, then tap on search bar and search for any other region, any different country, and so on. Tap on the plus and this location will be saved. And you should see it right here in the tab saved locations. But you can just search for something, tap on it, and just check forecast but not tapping save button. Now to add weather widget on the home screen, you need to press and hold your current home screen and tap widgets. After that, if you go through the list, you will see here Pixel Weather, so you can tap on it and then select here different widget. For example, you can choose this bigger one or smaller. Click on add and you will see it like this. Of course, you can resize it like that by dragging the corners and make it full screen like this. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.